Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another HP Society episode. We're not at the HP Society HQ. We are at Luxury Motor Credit. Everybody give them a follow. Give them a follow on Facebook, Instagram. Link will be in the description below. You guys want to get a car? They actually helped me find my Mustang. You know, they'll help you find whatever car you need. We are in the garage. We got Shadow in the garage next to Seika E30. You guys remember O'Day, the man, the myth, the legend. You guys, he just posted a YouTube video installing the all-new Bull Boost Turbo on this beautiful BMW E30. Look at that thing.
It was trouble, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Yeah, man. Look at that thing. It's way better than the Chinese shit.
Yeah, that's the number one thing is reliability.
100%. I want this a one-season car.
Yeah, no, this thing is sick, dude. He installed it pretty well. And then we also got the Bull Boost ball valve. And then we got the Bull Boost steering wheel. And we also have Bull Boost racing seats, which is going to be a vlog that we are going to record actually tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. He's gonna have, I don't know if you guys follow us on HP Society Racing, which is our race team. All four of us are gonna be in the same garage for the first time in a long time. So it's gonna be me, O'Day, Kay, who has a Chevy Camaro SS, 6-speed. He's trying to do a full NA build, which is tearing down the motor, internals, I mean everything. He wants to be NA. And then we obviously got Grabber Fox, aka Alex, with his Grabber Fox ESS supercharged Mustang. So we're all gonna be here for the first time, so it should be good vibes all around. But without further ado, we have the BMR lowering springs going on Shadow. Finally, they've been sitting in the garage for such a while, so I've been, I said, fuck it. We're not gonna send it to the shop. We're gonna fuck it up ourselves.
Yes, sir. Good luck to the next owner.
Next owner that owns this shit's gonna be fucked. If the trans goes out, we're going Tremec. TR3160 or T56. We're going. I do, low key. I want a Tremec. We're gonna get this car up in the air and see what we're working with. But we do have BMR lowering springs. I believe I got the drag spec, which I didn't know that I got. I thought I got the track spec. I got drag spec. So yeah, pretty much we gotta build a drag car now. So this is gonna be an interesting install. But we got Kay on the way, and then Alex is gonna come later on today. So hopefully we're gonna get this done today. That's the goal.
You know we can't break the Mustang. Gotta be careful. Yes, sir.
The first time we're going to be doing a job like this, I think, for everybody. Did you do it on the E30?
Coilover, so they kind of came together. The only thing that was like confusing is preload. You tighten it a little bit, but the spring was already on.
Okay.
We're taking off the spring.
Yeah.
It's different.
Oh, by the way, you guys, we did paint the Brembos. I never vlogged that actually, but we painted the Brembos. I should have vlogged it. They came out really well. I did a black with a red Brembo logo with to match the 5.0s. I think
it's clean. Right? It's very clean.
Better than the red with the black logo. I think
it's very different, very unique. I love it. I think it's super clean. I would have done this.
You know Cal is here. You heard him, right?
You know
yeah, you guys can hear. Yeah, it's manual. Damn. Hey, rev it! America!
God damn, America!
I'm gonna give it another rev. See, that's how you break shit. Don't do no shit like that. That's how you break it. No, go ahead. Back into the fucking Firebird while you're in.
Yeah, I fucking see it.
Oh, okay.
It's a lane. Bitch.
Holy shit. That shit is loud. That shit is nasty.
Bought a case of payday. Here you go, dude. Thank you. That'll be one Texas speed cam, please.
Oh shit. Hey, take this shit back.
Oh my lord. Oh shit. Okay.
Open it.
So just to let you people know, all right, we are going to take off all the wheels right now, and then we're actually gonna watch a tutorial while we do this. So don't do what we do. I tell you guys this all the time. Don't do what we do. We're slow here.
See that? That's why I grabbed the swivel, Mahmoud. Wallah, that's why I grabbed the swivel.
Let's hope the swivel doesn't snap though.
And then lowering down the cradle.
Yo, you good, G?
Oh damn, we still didn't take off that wheel.
Bro,
let's take off that wheel.
There you go. Icon fucking socket sets and shit.
We're gonna remove the sway bar link first, which Khaled hammered out. We gotta remove the brake lines.
We gotta remove it only because this is dropping and it's gonna be tight right here.
I came here for a workout.
Bro.
Hey, bro, take this. No, it's okay. Don't worry. Get this shit away from me, bro. It's fun.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, guys. So we took out this. This is a 10 mil. This is a 13.
No, we didn't.
This is a 10 mil. This is a 13. This is for the brake line, and then we obviously took out the sway bar link, and then we took off the subframe bracket as well as the. Is this the axle?
Where?
For the axle, or is that for the sway bar?
No, this is.
That's axle, right?
This bolt. This is subframe.
Subframe.
Who's axle?
That's your axle.
Yeah.
Big ass motherfucker.
All right. So next, I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do next. We're gonna eyeball this. Yeah.
Damn, that's the crusty edge.
All right. Good shit. So once you get the jack onto the what is this? What is it on the subframe? Or is that the axle? Oh, it's on the diff. So where you got the jack stand on the diff. Obviously, we're doing it a different way than what the video showed. So now we lowered it all the way down. Man, shut the fuck. So we took off the bolts that you remember here that was that was supporting.
It's fine against the axle.
He said, "How you do it?"
I'll go a little lower.
Yeah, go a little lower.
A little bit. Be careful.
All right.
You good? Be careful.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
See the size difference, brother. God damn! Look at the thickness.
Oh my god, it's so thick. How much, bro? I think it might just go in.
Yeah, because it's low.
Yeah, look at it.
Yep.
Get that bitch in.
Be careful.
The car fucking falls. Dude, I'd cry. I'm not gonna lie. I'd fucking probably kill myself.
I'd probably sit right under it. I swear to God.
Bro, the motherfucker's suicidal.
Bro, what you mean, bro?
He'd sit under
If
it.
it falls in here, I'm fucked. There goes the E30.
Probably a little bit more. Yeah, bitch.
We're in. I can raise it up, baby.
All right, so we're gonna put everything back the fuck together. Whatever we did on this side, we're gonna do to the opposite side. All right? So we're not gonna vlog that side because we did this side. Unless something bad happens.
Yes.
So then after we do that side, we're gonna do the front. We took apart the shock, which comes with this buttstock. Now this buttstock, let me see it real quick.
Bump stop. Or whatever the fuck.
What did I just call it?
Buck stock.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I said bump stop.
I don't know.
We're gonna have to cut it, how much? How far did you say?
Quarter of an inch.
Quarter of an inch. So we're probably gonna eyeball it like, yeah, right there.
Fuck it. Good as fuck. Textured.
You're better than all of them.
Oh my
Oh
lord.
my God. We can shave it. We can shave it.
Fuck on.
We just put the bump stock back in. Now we're gonna tighten it down and put the shock back up. So we're gonna put in the shock. So after we get the shock on, we're gonna put back the brake line little brackets, and that should be it. Everything else is tightened up. So everything you did on this side, you're gonna do it on the next. Then we're gonna show you what to do up front. Like I said, don't take this as a tutorial. We got grabber socks in the building. You guys, he didn't bring the Mustang, but he brought his beautiful RDX. This is his first time seeing O'Day's BMW. Hey, look, it's decent, right?
This is fucking sick.
You had the same reaction he did. The exact same one. Alex dynoed the Mustang. What are we doing to the wheels, buddy?
668 wheel, 525 torque.
That's decent.
On basic
pump gas.
set, on pump gas, tiny G2 blower. We do E85 and a G3 blower. We'll be pushing like 800 wheel. I think I might do
You
it.
sick fuck.
Bro, that thing is sick. I seen the dyno grab.
Catch a lane, man.
Bro, it's sick.
We got some light going. Boom. This one sits nice already. I just gotta put the sway bar link in right here.
Hey guys, we got the rear end done. Now, the messed up part is the front, so we're gonna get this done. Now, we are going to start with the front. Now, the front, from what I heard, is a bitch, and
Man, we're fucking.
Honestly, I like the front more.
So we're HP Society. Caliper is off, and we got it hanging actually by steel wires because we don't have a little hook. So now, ladies and gentlemen, sway bar link. All right, so we're gonna pull that out and then keep this right here just in case. It's moving, right? Yeah.
Little head, little head.
There's one. So right now we're gonna take a spring compressor. We're gonna compress the spring, take it out, and then put it. Stop looking at me like that. And then put the BMR in, and that should be the install. Like I said, don't do anything that we did.
What did we do wrong?
We're retarded.
Yeah, but we didn't do anything wrong.
We took it apart. There's actually this little. Here, I can probably show you. Right there. We cut already 3/8 of an inch. And I mean, we put it back in. It's not that hard. I'll try to show you guys in this one. It just, dude, we're all over the place with this vlog. So, you know what? We're just gonna pick up the vlog tomorrow. We're gonna work on this shit. It's not really gonna be an install video. This is gonna be more of a fucking around, breaking shit type video. So tomorrow, we'll see how the car sits, and hopefully it drives, drives fine. And, and then we'll see, because this car is probably totaled. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so it is the next day. The springs have settled. We got Khaled in the garage. We thought the car was totaled yesterday, but we ended up getting it done, and the car is actually sitting pretty nice. What was it, 3 fingers in the rear?
Yeah,
originally
it was 3 or almost 3.5, 3 1/4.
I could barely fit 2 now, which is pretty well. What's the front? I think the front was like,
the front is like maybe like 2.5, 2 1/4.
Springs went in. They're fine. I actually took it on a drive earlier. I will do another video updating about how the springs are as far as handling and performance, but it's been pretty good. But honestly, I would honestly go and get these BMR springs. It made a huge difference with how my car looks. I mean, the way it sits a lot more aggressive, especially when you're driving behind me. My car sits a little bit lower. Man, eat my ass, bro. I love how the car sits. It sits a lot better, and honestly, it makes my front splitter look a lot more aggressive. Like, look at that. That looks so aggressive compared to how it used to. But I honestly, I can't really talk shit about these springs at all. I do like how they look, so. Other than that, you okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified. Be a part of HP Society.
You guys did enjoy the video. You have no choice. You did enjoy it. Say yes. Who's here?
Guys, give them a follow on Instagram at, what's your Instagram?
Shit, you already know. 6.2K, baby.
Why'd you have to think about it?
I forgot it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, look, I don't post on it right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to like give something post worthy. You know, I'm not gonna sit there posting pictures of my car like some people, goofies. We're not over here trying to, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to build race cars, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Just wait, you know, we got some stuff on it right now, okay? And then we're gonna put the, fucking call it?
The cam?
The Texas Speed cam, flex fuel kit, Hurst short throw, drag pack, there's a bunch of stuff. You know, maybe some suspension parts.
Guys, we're gonna try to do the headers as soon as we can, and yeah, I'm excited about that. But other than that, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys. All right.